In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the tire socket on your Toyota Highlander. Open your rear hatch. If you have a cargo net installed, remove that. Push on this little clip, pull it off. Do the same thing on the other side. Lift up the rear carpet. Lift up the rear hatch. Pull this cover back. The home for the socket is right here. Replace the cover. This over here. Drop the hatch back down. Pull your carpet back. If you have the cargo net, reinstall that now. There's a little hook. Pull it down. Slide it on. Do the same thing on the other side. And close the rear tailgate. Now you're ready for a breakdown.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.